coming with the travel agency side. So this is the front end. Here you can check your hotels, tours, activity. Let me show you as well. So when we go for a hotels, then you can select your destinations, check in, check out, how much guests are visit. So you can select the guest number or room number. After that we have advanced options as well, so you can filterize as well, or you can do. After that we have a tour, so here you can manage tour as well. Activity we have, rental we have, cab, moving, pick up from or drop off we have. After that we have a flight as well, so we can select flight like Delhi. Okay, let me select one, Delhi to Mumbai. Okay, so here we select origin to destinations. Here we can select the part and return date, and then we can search as well. So Flight API will automate integrated. So then all details will come here. So for demo purpose, we not added any Flight API. That's why it's not showing. But for we will provide you with setup as well. Here you can check hotels data. Let me show you as well. So here you can check, this is the filters in the left side. Here you can check map view. Here you can set up your filters according to price, review score, and hotel star and etc. Here you can check some hotels data here, or if I click or open any hotels, then I can find out hotel name, hotel descriptions, hotel images, hotel rooms, book or inquiry. Okay, so here you can check check-in, check-out. Here you can check gas. Here you can check availability as well. Okay. So here you can check, hello, so you can check check-in, check-out. Here you can check inquiry as well. You can add your gas. You can check availability as well. You can use images as well. Here you can check description, some facility, rooms, reviews you can check here. If you want to write a review, then you can write a review as well. Okay, so after that we have a tours as well, so here you can check tours. After that we have a activity, so here you can search tour as well, so here you can filter as well. We have a activity, so you can manage activity as well, so you can check, we already added some activities, so you can book activity online here. These all things will work from backend as well. So here you can manage cab, contact. If you want to become local expert, then you can easily sign up or log in as well. You can change your currency, it will done. Yeah, so here you can check other things as well, special offers, trending destinations. Okay, so trending hotels data, you can check it here. Okay, after that you can check all the data related to the host, other things like last minute deals on hotels, you can check it here. After that we have some pages which you can set up easily. Okay, let me show you admin panel as well. So let me log in once. So it's login. Okay, after that we have a hotels. So here you can check all hotels data, name of that hotels, layout, order, hotel facility, hotel theme. Here you can check date as well. So publish that, you can check it here. Here you can check name of that hotels, or you can edit or you can delete as well. If you want to edit, then you just click on a edit option, then it will be edit. Here you can check name, descriptions. In the right corner you can check hotel facilities, hotel themes. Okay, here you can check feature images and etc. If you want to add any new hotels, then you can add hotels as well. So here you can add new hotel name, hotel description, facility, hotel theme, like that. Okay, after that, if you want to add more facilities, then you can add facility here like air condition, airport, fitness center, flat TV, etc. You can add more as well. You can add it later. After that we have a hotel themes, so you can set up multiple themes like boutique, budget, business, charming, classic, luxury. So you can set up hotel themes here. After that all bookings will come here. You can check booking data like customer name, check-in, check-out, hotel room available, or name. How much rooms are there means the customer had booked, price, when it's created, status you can check is a cancel, pending or successfully, or here you can check payment method. You can resend email, you can add it as well, so you can do easily. Okay, after that we have a rooms. So here you can check complete rooms data. So you can make multiple rooms as well. So here you can check rooms title, which hotels rooms is there, so you can check how much rooms are there, hotel. Here you can check room facility and date. If you want to add new rooms, then you can easily add multiple rooms. Like you just need to add title of room, descriptions, or in the right corner you can add room type, room facility, some feature images. If you want to add, then you can do it as well. Okay, so here you can check other details as well. After that, room types. So here you can check room types. We already added some demo rooms which you can manage. After that we have a room facility. So here you can add multiple room facilities like air condition, flat screen TV and etc. So here you can manage. After that, all types of room booking you can check, like customer name, check-in, check-out, hotel room name, room price, created date, status and etc. You can check here. After that we have a activity. So all types of activity you can check here, like title of the activity, activity type, price you can check, layout you can check, author you can check here. Okay, attractions you can check, or you can date, publish date you can manage. If you want to add new, then you can add new as well. So here you can add activity as well. After that you can manage your attractions, so you can add multiple attraction of activities. Here you can check activity bookings, which you can check easily. After that we have a tours. So all tour data you can check, like title, tour type, what is the price of the tour. We all, this is a demo process, so we not add much. So here you can check adult prices, child prices, author, tour category and etc. So here you can check. Here you can check daily tour or weekly tour, like that. So here you can manage that. You can add multiple tour. Here you can check tour category. So here you can add tour category as well, multiple types of. So we already have some images as well, so you can change or update as well. After that we have a tour booking. So here you can manage your tour booking, customer name, tour type, date, adult number and etc. You can manage that. After that we can manage cars. So here you can check all cars data. If you want to add new car category, pickup feature, car feature, default equipment, car booking, you can manage that. After that cars, we have a rental, so we can manage rental as well. We can add multiple location of where we are running our services, so you can check name of that locations, author, location type and date and etc. If you can add multiple location, you can add multiple location type. After that we have a coupon as well. So here you can manage coupons, or you can make multiple coupons here. Okay, you just need to add coupon name and then publish. If you want to add it, then you can add it. This coupon will show on front end for customer only. For running, you just need to go in, sorry, let me show you. In a marketing coupon, here you can make coupon. This coupon will show in the front end, and this coupon will apply for any types of orders. So here you can make coupons as well. Here you can make coupon and fixed amount and expiry date and etc. You just limit and you can manage that. Okay, other things are like payment gateway and other things already integrated. So you just need to give us Razorpay and other gateway key. So we will set up for you, and then it will be live for you for your work. Thank you.